Hey everyone, welcome to another video. Today we're checking out the Paxat Backpack from Patagonia, a large 32-litre bag offering some extra organisation and utility, perfect for global travel or urban commuting. I'm Ed from Rushfaster and we do guides and walkthroughs bringing you better gear and better ways to carry, so if you're interested in anything like that or new to the channel, please consider subscribing. Let's jump right in and check out the Paxat Backpack from Patagonia. Patagonia is one of our favourite brands here at Rushfaster, not just because of their high quality gear, but also because of their philanthropic work and their social and environmental concerns. Today we're checking out the Paxat Backpack, Patagonia's biggest day pack. Let's check it out. The exterior fabric of the bag is a 630 denier nylon, which is 50% recycled materials. The internal lining of the bag is a 200 denier polyester, which is 100% recycled materials. Both of these materials are polyurethane coated and also have a DWR finish. Other materials on this bag feature Duraflex buckles, YKK zips, and standard nylon webbing for all the straps. Looking at the features, details, and compartments of the bag, we have a medium-sized Patagonia brand mark here in this red color. These accents can be bolder or subtler depending on which colorway you get. On the other side, we have the model name and the literage of the bag, Paxat 32 litre. Starting with the front face of the bag, we have a stretch mesh pocket for storing gear, different size gear, and it's secured by a Duraflex G-hook. It does take a little bit of getting used to with this G-hook, it's a bit finicky, but inside I just have an emergency kit from Maxpedition. You can store all sorts of gear in here and it can accommodate a large variety of gear because of the stretch mesh. On the side of the stretch mesh compartment there is daisy chain webbing for lashing additional gear on, like carabiners or other types of gear. On either side of the bag we have zippered compartments for storing more gear. Inside I've got my sunglasses case, and it's gusseted so that it can fit quite a lot of gear, like passport wallets, things like that, cables, snack bars. On the other side, I actually have managed to fit in my Kinto travel tumbler. Now, this pocket won't fit all types of water bottles, so you might have smaller water bottles fitting in here. If you do have bigger water bottles, like a Nalgene bottle, you're probably better off fitting it inside the main cargo of the bag. Also on the sides of the bag, we have compression straps here, which are buckled down by these Duraflex clips. This is good for compressing the bag, tightening the load, bringing the center of gravity closer to your back so that you have a better carry when you're using this bag. Coming to the harness system of the bag, we do have a slightly more heavy duty harness system compared to regular Patagonia backpacks. We have load lifters at the top for tightening the load of your bag. We also have a very padded and breathable back panel and shoulder strap. There's this air mesh padding that will do well to wick away moisture. The shoulder straps are contoured to shape around the body more ergonomically. Now there is a female version of this bag that has a tighter and shorter torso and more contoured and tapered shoulder straps so that they can fit female frames better. Further down on the shoulder straps we have these two loops here for attaching gear on. Here we have the Patagonia P6 logo, which is a nice touch, and then we come to the adjustable and removable sternum strap. The shoulder strap has 2 points of adjustment, 1 and 2, so you can better align the sternum strap along to where your sternum actually is. There is some elasticity here so that it moves better as you carry the bag, and the clip is a standard Duraflex buckle. And here's some elastic webbing for strap management. Looking at the compartments of the bag, we have 3 main compartments: the organization compartment, the main cargo compartment, and the laptop compartment. The first one is our organization compartment, where you'll be storing all your little bits and pieces. We've got lots of pockets here. The first compartment is a zippered compartment. It goes to the base of the organization panel here. Inside I've just got my wired earphones. Over on this pocket here, we have some fleece lining here, so it'd be good to store delicate items or electronics. I just got my Bluetooth wireless earphones. And on this side, we have a mesh compartment giving us a little bit of visibility. I've just got some snacks, hand sanitizer, and there's also a key leash to tether your keys to, which is very useful. Now there is still space in this compartment. There's this much of the compartment to use, so at the bottom I've just stored a spare hat. So that's all for the organization compartment. The next compartment is the main cargo compartment. This is where you're going to be storing predominantly your bigger sized gear. Inside here I've got my Peak Design tech pouch. I've got just a Patagonia torrent shell jacket, but there is still plenty of space inside this compartment. You could fit in your lunch, or if you're carrying an Nalgene, you could put it in there, or if you are going traveling, you could fit your clothes and everything else inside some packing cubes. That would fit in here. But for today, I'm just packing this as an everyday bag, so I've got mostly my tech. There is a zippered compartment here, just a short one, which I've put inside my lacy portable hard drive. And then there is also a fleece-lined tablet sleeve, which should fit most standard size tablets. Now the last compartment is the laptop compartment, and it's slightly different to most laptop compartments. You do have to pull back your shoulder straps and then unzip the compartment, and it folds out clamshell style. Now this configuration does make it TSA approved, so you can flow through the airport more quickly, more easily. Securing the laptop compartment is a simple Duraflex buckle. Now this compartment can fit up to a 15-inch laptop. This is a 13-inch MacBook Pro Retina, and it fits in there with plenty of space for a 15-inch. It does have some dense padding and does have a false bottom, so it is suspended from the base of the bag, giving it some impact protection. Now if you're not storing a laptop in here and you're simply traveling through a city or you're hiking, you can actually store a hydration reservoir inside this compartment, and you can port your tubing through this hole here, which comes out to the other side of the bag, which is the back panel, and then you can feed that through the shoulder straps, and then you have access to hydration. This is the Paxat on me. I'm 5'10". Well everyone, there you have it, the Paxat Backpack from Patagonia, a large backpack offering generous storage and generous organization, and coming from a company that does a lot of good work in the world. If you're interested in getting this bag, there's going to be some links in the description below. If you like this video, you found it helpful, and you're thinking about getting this bag, then please do consider using some of those affiliate links, as they really help us out in making more and more of these kind of videos. But even if you're not thinking about getting this bag, but you enjoyed this video, if you want to support our work, hit the like button, hit the bell, let us know in the comments what you think about this product, or if you have any ideas of what we should do next, give us some feedback. And as always, subscribe to see more carry gear walkthroughs if you haven't already. If you want to see more videos like this or more videos on Patagonia gear, check out some of the links on the screen at the end of this video. But for now, this has been the Paxat Backpack from Patagonia. Stay safe, and we'll see you next time.